Have you ever felt happy for your friend, but also secretly jealous? That little feeling you try to ignore, it's called envy. And believe it or not, it's more common than you think. In this video, we're going to explore the psychology behind why we feel jealous of our close friends, the science of envy, and how you can understand and control it. Welcome back to the channel. Here, we simplify human psychology and explain why people behave the way they do. Today's topic is a tricky one: envy. We'll find out why it happens, what triggers it in our brains, and how it affects our relationships. Stay with me till the end to discover 3 surprising truths about envy that most people never realize. What envy really is. So, what exactly is envy? Envy is the feeling of wanting what someone else has, whether it's success, attention, or talent. Now, envy is different from jealousy. Jealousy is the fear of losing something. Envy is wanting something someone else possesses. Why does it happen with close friends? Well, close friends act like mirrors. Seeing them succeed makes us compare our own achievements. And sometimes, it triggers insecurity. In your brain, the ventral striatum reacts to rewards others get, and the prefrontal cortex processes self-comparison. The result? A strange mix of pleasure and discomfort. For example, your best friend gets a promotion at work. You feel happy, but secretly, you think, why not me? That's envy in action. Cognitive bias and self-reflection. Certain biases make envy stronger. Negativity bias makes us focus on what others have, not ourselves. The illusion of fairness makes us think, it's not fair they got it and I didn't. And social media adds the highlight reel effect, making achievements look effortless. Self-reflection is key. Ask yourself, what exactly am I envious of? Is it insecurity, unmet goals, or fear of being left behind? Once you understand this, you can turn envy into motivation instead of resentment. The psychology of close friend envy. So why is envy stronger with close friends than strangers? Friends are emotionally important. Their success feels tied to our own lives. Attachment and empathy also play a role. You can feel proud of your friend, and yet compare yourself secretly. Mirror neurons in your brain fire when friends succeed, creating emotional resonance and self-evaluation. This internal conflict is normal, it's human nature. How to manage envy? First, awareness. Admit you feel envy. It's natural. Next, reframe it cognitively. Focus on what you can learn from your friend's success. Turn envy into motivation for your personal growth. Practice gratitude daily. Reflect on your own achievements, no matter how small. Celebrate friends openly. And don't bottle envy into resentment. Key takeaways in closing. Remember, envy is natural, especially with close friends. Your brain triggers comparison and emotional responses. Awareness, reflection, and gratitude can turn envy into motivation. Next time you feel that tiny pang of jealousy, remember, it's your brain showing you what you truly value. And now, you know how to use it for your own growth. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Comment below, have you ever felt jealous of a close friend? Let's talk about it.